Hello everyone, welcome to Data Vidhyalaya. I am Suresh Reddy Nusi. So in the last video, we have seen about the built-in data type tuple. Okay, and along with that, we have learned how we can do the operations with it. So in this particular video, we'll go through another built-in data type called set. Okay. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon if you wanted to subscribe, and please click on the like button if you like the video or the content. Okay, and comment if you have any queries, or if you want to enhance this content and all, you can click on the comment and provide your relevant query on it, and share if you have any if you want to share with your friends and who wants to learn this Python for beginners course and all, so that you can do that. Okay, and yeah, that's the today's one, and we'll get into that. So as I said, like, we'll go through the particular built-in data type called set. Okay, let's get into that. Okay. So we have seen the list and tuple. Okay, so both list is defined with the square brackets, whereas tuple with the curved brackets. Okay, and it allows the duplicate values. But one thing we need to understand, that what if we wanted to store the non-duplicated values, like duplicates are not allowed. Okay, so we need particular data type, to perform that. So in that point of contact, like, we can use sets. Okay, sets are for storing the unique items. Okay, where it stores the unique items, and they do not have the specific order, which means unordered, means like they do not follow any order. Okay, it will store the values unordered, which are unordered in the sense, like, we cannot though it will be given in the positional index, but it randomize every time when we call it or print it and all. Okay, and it doesn't allow duplicates. Okay, so three things. One is like, it will store only the unique values, means like duplicates are removed and unordered. Okay, and we can use the syntax like flower brackets. Okay, so tuple, we have curved brackets, list we have square brackets. This is stored with the flower brackets, or set of these curved brackets to make a set. Okay, duplicates are removed whenever you are creating a values, no, automatically the duplicates will be removed. So for example, my set is equal to flower bracket open 1 2 3 2 1 and flower bracket close. Okay, then print set is like my set. So then it will remove the duplicate values. 2 1 it will be removed, and output will be 1 2 3. Okay, that's the one thing. Okay, if this constructor will be used, if you wanted to store, if you wanted to get it from a list or tuple or whatever the thing, no, you can use set of curved brackets, and within that you can create a tuple or the set, a tuple or the list and all, where it will print the only 4 5 6. This here 5 will be removed and duplicated. Okay, so that's how we can do that. And yeah, so as I said, no, these set items are unordered. Means like it will not follow the specific order. Okay, so it will not follow the specific order, and do not allow duplicates. Okay, though it is not following the specific order, we can add or remove the items. So here, a small thing you need to understand. So though it is unordered or unchangeable, but we can add or remove items from a set. Whereas in a tuple, it allows the duplicate values. Okay, where these are ordered only in a tuple, but we cannot add or remove items from a tuple. What we have done, we have converted into a list, and then we have added or removed the items from the tuple. But here, though it is unordered, okay, unchangeable, but we can add or remove items from the set. Okay, so anyways, we'll see now, like, how operations perform and all it will happen. Okay, the individual item themselves cannot be changed once they are in the set. That's why we call it unchangeable. Okay, individual items in the sense, like, based on the index, if you wanted to change or not, no? Based on the index, For example, my tuple of 0 index is equal to 10. That you can do. But here my tuple of set is equal to, you cannot do that. Okay. You see that. I will show you that. So set element here we have created one dummy set, my set 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, cherry, apple 1, 2. So this apple will be removed. Why? Because it is duplicated. 1, 2 also will be removed. It's duplicated, and that's how we can get that. And this order, no, this order can be varying. It depends on that. Okay, and here if you see, as it is unordered, no, like if you see it will throw an error. Okay, why? Because as it is unordered, then this like set object is not subscriptable. Subscriptable means like it does not support indexing. Okay, so that's why we cannot do this indexing and all. That's why it is like unordered. Okay, remove this line as sets does not support indexing. Okay, that's why it doesn't support the indexing. That's why I commented that. Okay, yeah, that's the one. Okay, and one more thing, the set as this is in detail and all. So wherever if we are using 1 and the boolean value as true, it considered as only 1. Why? Because those it assumes it as a duplicate values. False and 0 as well. Okay, that's why if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4 true will not be there, and here false also will not be there. Only 0 will be there. Okay, so it does it considers as the same values. Okay, set understands it as the same values. As I said, no, like though it is unchangeable, but we can add or remove the items in the set. Okay, so we can use the add and all, add, remove and all. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 is in the my set. Okay, my set dot add of 4 means like which will add in the end. Okay, if it is duplicate, no, again the duplicate values will be removed. Okay, if you are removing, no, dot remove of 2. Okay, so if you see that the original set is 1, 2, 3. So if you are adding 4, it will add that, and if you are removing that, you can do that. Okay. So whenever you are using remove, if the value is available, no, it will remove that. If the value is not available, no, then it will throw an error. Okay. So in order to overcome that, there is another method called discard. Okay, discard. For example, I will show you. So here we doesn't have the 8 in the set 1, 2, 3. We wanted to remove 8. Obviously the 8 value is not available in that particular set. So it will, if you execute that query command, it will throw an error saying that this value is not available in that particular set, and it will raise an error, key error 8. Okay, so in order to overcome that, no, we have another method in the set constructor which is called discard. Discard will not throw an error, and it will assumes that it is not 8, no, it will not raise the error. Okay, so this is one more thing you can do. Okay, and there is update method. So these are all the method: add, remove, discard, update, clear, and all, which you will see in that next also. Next also you'll see that union, intersection, difference, and all, how we will be using, no, in a set and all. We have some mathematical knowledge on that, how we are using the set in the algebra and all. So that we will be using it here. So my set is equal to 1, 2, 3. Another set is called 4, 5, 6. Update that. So automatically it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means like it become a complete set. So update method is used to add items from another set into the current set. Means like it will add it into the my set. Okay, from the another set. Okay. The same way a list also. Yeah. The another unique functionality dot update is that not only from a same data type or the built-in data type it will merge. It will also merge from the different data types like tuple or list and all. Okay, or dictionaries and all. Okay, that's what my set is equal to 1, 2, 3. My list is equal to 4, 5, 6. But it will update it from the list also. Same way, but it supports the different data types. Okay, built-in data types. Okay, and yeah, as I said, no, clear will remove all the data in a set. Okay, and delete will remove all the it will remove the entire set only, but it will not remove that particular index and all. Why? Because this is an unordered. Okay, it doesn't support the indexing. Okay, that's why we are clearing the set. Okay, and obviously we have seen no in the mathematics like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference and all. So I have created few examples here, okay, which follows that. So one is like set one is like apple, banana, cherry, which represents the fruits. Set two is like we have the companies like Google, Microsoft, and Apple. So here apple is common and all, okay, where it represents that fruit and it represents the company, okay, apple phone and all. Okay. So union, first we will see that how union works. Union returns a new set, okay, returns a new set with all items from the both sets, okay. It will take the both set, which are the common values now. It will give only that. So here common values is only apple. So it displays only the apple. Okay, next update anyway, it will make a complete set apple, banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft. But again apple will not come. Why? Because it's a set will remove the duplicates. Okay, so that's the one thing. And next is the intersection. So intersection is that returns a set that contains only the duplicates. Okay, it will remove and creates the duplicates. Okay, so here from the set union we are uniting that, and update we are also updating with by removing the duplicates. Okay, sorry, I mistaken you. So union is nothing but it takes all the values from the both the sets. Okay, union is nothing but combining. It's an addition. Okay, so union is nothing but combining, addition. Okay, so it will give all the examples like banana, Google, Microsoft and all. Yeah, whereas intersection will give only the common elements. Okay, so I am repeating that union will give all the elements from the both the sets, removing the duplicate. Update also will do the same by removing the duplicates. Okay, whereas intersection what it will do is that it will find the common elements, okay, which are there in both the sets and all. So I think apple is there in both the sets. Okay, so next is the difference. Okay, difference what it will do is that it will differ both the things. Okay, means like here apple, banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft and Apple. So set 7 dot difference of set 8. So set 7 values it will check apple, banana, cherry. So here apple value is there or not, it will check. So then it will be removed from the set 7. Okay, and then banana it's not there in the set 8, so it will keep there. Whereas cherry is not there in the set 8, so it will keep there. So that's why only banana and cherry will be there. Okay, returns a set that contains the items from the first set that is not in the other set, that is not available in the other set. Okay, it will do that. Whereas symmetric difference is that both in both the things it will compare like vice versa. First apple is checked in this, banana is checked in this, cherry is checked in this. Then again set 10 will compare with the set 9. Google is present in the set 9 or not, Microsoft is available in the set 9 or not, apple is available in the set 9. From the both differences, like from the both sets it will compare and it will give the unique values. Okay, so we'll run this. Yeah, same union update will give the other with removing the duplicates. Intersection will give only what are the common elements in both the sets. Difference will give like it will compare the one set values with the other, and if there is value available in the other set it will remove that, and only one set where it doesn't have in the other set it will project only that values. Whereas symmetric is the vice versa. One set will compare with the other set values, another set will compare to this set values, and you get the unique values. Okay, so these are the things and all. So this is in depth and all, this union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference, update and all. So these are the methods we have. So these actions can change or give. So add we have seen, remove we have seen, discard we have seen, update we have seen, clear is there. These are somewhat basic you can so far about the set. So this one is like I just referred all the things and I got it for you. Okay, and yeah, so that's the about the set. And you take one example about on all these data types. Okay, you take the list, you take the tuple, and you take the set, and how its operations carries on. and how it works and all. So you just compare that, okay, and until and unless if you don't practice now, you will not understand that, okay. So that's how you can get that full knowledge on the set. So that's that. So set is nothing. Set is what? Set is nothing but a built-in data type, okay, where it is unordered, okay, where we can where the duplicates are not allowed. That's the fundamental one, okay. But it's unchangeable, but we can add or remove the items, but we cannot do the indexing part, okay. That's the simple one. That's why I haven't include the assessing, assessing the values and all is not there in this particular concept. Whereas in the list and tuple, we have the accessing that elements. Okay, that concept is not there, and remaining the operations we can perform on the set. How to do add, remove, how to update that, and how to discard. Where discard method is used, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, and all. So that is already provided, okay. So in the so far that's about the sets. So in the next video we'll see another important built-in data type, the last data type built-in, which is dictionaries. So we'll get into that, but before coming to that dictionaries, you make sure that these three built-in data types you practice well enough, okay. Till then, thank you, bye, have a nice day.